Class 8 Maths Chapter 3 Cube and Cube Roots. Cube Roots. We know cube of 8 is equals to 8 cube is equals to 8 into 8 into 8 is equals to 512. So cube root of 512 is 8. Cube of 7 is equals to 7 cube is equals to 7 into 7 into 7 is equals to 343. So cube root of 343 is 7. In general, the cube of x is equals to x into x into x is equals to x cube, and the cube root of x cube is x for any number x. The cube root is denoted by this sign. So cube root of 512 is 8, cube root of 343 is 7. If the number is a negative integer, then its cube root will also be a negative integer. Now, finding cube root by successive subtraction method. We subtract the numbers 1, 7, 19, 37, 61, 91, 127, 169 successively till we get 0. The numbers of subtractions will give the cube root of the number. The numbers 1, 7, 19, 37, 61, 91, 127, 169 and so on are obtained by putting n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to any natural number in 1 plus n into n minus 1 into 3 term. For example, find the cube root of 125 by successive subtraction method. First step, from 125 subtract 1, we get 124. Then 124 minus 7 is equals to 117. Then 117 minus 19 is equals to 98. Then 98 minus 37 is equals to 61. Then 61 minus 61 is equals to 0. We got 0. After performing subtraction 5 times, we get 0. So the cube root of 125 is equals to 5. Find the cube root of 343 by successive subtraction. Subtract the numbers of the sequence 1, 7, 19, 37, 61, 91, 127 from 343 till we get 0. First step, 343 minus 1 is equals to 342. 342 minus 7 is equals to 335. Then 335 minus 19 is equals to 316. 316 minus 37 is equals to 279. 279 minus 61 is equals to 218. 218 minus 91 is equals to 127. 127 minus 127 is equals to 0. Since we have subtracted 7 times to get 0, therefore cube root of 343 is equals to 7. Cube root of 343 is equals to 7. Next question. Examine if 360 is a perfect cube. If not, find the smallest number that must be subtracted from 360 to obtain a perfect cube. To check whether 360 is a perfect cube or not, apply successive subtraction method. First, from 360 subtract 1, we get 359. 359 minus 7 is equals to 352. 352 minus 19 is equals to 333. 333 minus 37 is equals to 296. 296 minus 61 is equals to 235. 235 minus 91 is equals to 144. 144 minus 127 is equals to 17. The next number is to be subtracted is 169, which is greater than 17. Therefore, the process of successive subtraction does not give 0. Hence, 360 is not a perfect cube. If 17 is subtracted from 360, the process will become 0 after 7 successive subtractions. So 360 minus 17 is equals to 343, and 343 is the cube of 7. 17, so 17 should be subtracted from 360 to make it a perfect cube. Cube root using ones and tens digit. Find the cube root of 636056 by finding its ones and tens digit. The ones digit of the number 636056 is 6. Now think of a number whose cube gives 6 in the ones place. We know 6 cube is equals to 216. Here ones place is 6. Therefore, the digits at the ones place in the cube root of the given number is 6. Now strike out 3 digits from the right. Strike out 3 digits from the right. The number left over is 636. Now cube of 8 is equals to 512 and cube of 9 is 729. 512 is less than 636 and 729 is greater than 636. So the largest digit whose cube is less than 636 is 8. Thus tens digit is 8. Cube root of 636056 is 86.